Hi guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine. I am also fine. Today I will tell you how to make duck costume. Actually there was fancy dress there, so I make duck costume. Come, let's go. I choose light yellow and dark yellow. My mom cut fur. Now we will stick all together. This is double tape. We have both side tape. We stick one side and other side we will stick fur. See, it's so beautiful. Now we will attach both side fur. So we are using empty tissue box. Cut one side. Now see, let's see what I am doing. Putting glue. Now I will stick up to down. Card is so hard, so we have to put more glue. Nicely put glue on it. Now stick it. For procedure, we will repeat other side. Wow, it looks so beautiful. This is the other side. By putting glue, we will stick it. Remember, put more glue and it will stick nicely. Yes, see the both sides. It's steady. You can put any disappear ribbon. See the look. Very beautiful. Now I will wear. See the real duck. See me. Tell me how I am looking. I am standing with my friends. Hope you like my video. Please subscribe my channel and write the comment below. I am a duck. I have flat and broad beak. This shape helps me to catch fish and worms in the water. Thank you. It was a great event. Small pictures with my friend. Hope you like my video. I am holding a mic in my life first time. It was a great experience for me. In my next video, bye bye. Don't forget to like, comment and share. My one friend was ostrich, my one friend was parrot, my one friend was eagle.